Or depending.
It's on the ground, put a big shell in it, you drop it down, when it hits the bottom, it explodes and shoots up and aims people.
Mortar. Oh yeah, that's like.
Oh no, see, mortar's different. It's more one of those thunk.
I used to make him kiss, like, you know.
I don't think so. Yes? No, we're not going to. Okay.
Oh my God, Ken! My shoes are too awesome. Yeah, I know. Shut up.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
I can't make a noise like plastic. Is this microphone close enough? Just come for a ride in my plastic car, Barbie. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, let's go.
I don't know Barbie and Ken at all, but I think he is gay, isn't he?
They broke up. So
Yeah.
it's not happening.
And then he went Metro Ken. I saw that on Best Week Ever.
Yeah.
Bomb.
Boom!
Boom!
Okay, bigger. That was my biggest.
See, it's echoing off all the walls in Baghdad.
Afterburn.
That's.
Clank, 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 clank.
It's like.
Tank, tank.
Tank. That'd be a lot of metal, probably, right? Clank, 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 clank. Like that?
Okay. I guess a World War II like trench tank would be like. And then today they've got machine guns and like those fat ass diesel engines so that they hardly even make any noise, but they go fast as they're humming along in the desert.
That's gory.
Oh shit! Although they probably didn't feel it.
Clank, 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 clank.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Clank, 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 clank. No, wait, stop. Clank, clank, clank. No, seriously. Clank, clank. Oh my god. Clank, clank. Ah! Clank, 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 clank. I'm just one man, Jane Simmons.
Is that just like, charge! Charge!
I'm gonna have to do a little remix here with the Barbie and Ken plus the horse.
Charge!
It's a big production. And I didn't hire any extras. Charge! And then. Clink, 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 clink.
The doot is the hitting the target, I think. I don't know. Gene, I can't do that.
Ah, my face.
Oh!
They do that cool sound in the movies that I don't think it actually happens in real life, you know, where it's like receiving and there's always the like
I don't even know how to do that sound. Yeah, it's kind of like that.
I can't do that with my tongue ring, but I'll work on it.
if you're in the crowd it'd be like a and then like and if it's you then I'm sure it's a lot louder, you know, it's like and then there's a lot of like running.
Go, go, go!
Yeah, baseball running around the bases. Home run! That's sorry, home run.
This is so boring. What are we doing?
Beer here!
So I got your beer right here, Dante, Dante, and the Braves win the pennant. Yeah, right.
Crunching like hot dogs and stuff. Underneath the bed, that's more of like a, you know, like a sinister, like you can't really see what's going on thing, like the just like scratching on the other side of the wall, you know, where you're like, this is lead-based paint, by the way, I'm doing myself serious biological harm.
I would do acting, but like, I actually failed my acting class.
Old school is obviously in black and white, so I don't know if you want to do some camera work here or what, but you know, there's a lot of like old timey music like through like a gramophone, you're like, and then, you know, there's a lot of like stop motion animation, like, and then, you know, that was a monkey falling. But it's more sad when Peter Jackson does it because there's like this huge production value and the planes are like,
I drive motorcycles.
That's more like.
They never come one at a time. That's why you need like another set of lips and tongue to go like. Can you roll your tongue?
I look like an idiot on a Harley. I would. It'd be really stupid. So I don't know. I'm more of a crotch rocket kid myself. If you're a real badass, you can do the and then, like, all the car alarms go off, and you feel like a badass for the rest of the day, and you get to wear leather hats.
Oh, God damn. Oh, I'm gonna kick your.
Ow! Ow!
Two guys hitting each other. There we go.
Just. Oh.
Ow.
Or. I'm looking at the fist like, okay, talk to me.
That's my favorite part, because you get the, oh man, I thought you were my friend. Oh God! And then, like, there's like heavy breathing, like, come on. And there's more of that, and then it goes over and over again a couple times, and then finally, like, the cops show up and their friends are like, okay, break it up.
Ha.
He just hit me with a mitten. It didn't even hurt. I'm not even mad.
Where are you hitting him? Because if you happen to hit him in the pelvis, you'd be like, oh, damn it, man.
Mittens?
Okay, what if it's like fingerless mittens?
That's not mittens.
I don't know. It'd just be more muffled. And I guess it would take longer.
Weird.
Good. Very good.
Stressful, man. That wasn't stressful.
Enlightened.
Pretty normal.
Well, with everybody staring at me, awkward and yet hilarious at the same time.
Nervous, I guess. Very, very nervous.
I have to show this in front of people? This is hectic.
It's hard to try to think hydraulics and diesel at the same time. And loop.